Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today we are making a Turkish snack recipe which is called as Burek, and I'm making it with chicken. Burek is a filling rolled in a dough and baked in a large pan and cut into portions while serving. So first you need to make the dough. So in a bowl add all-purpose flour with some salt, mix it. Now let's add all the wet ingredients like egg, oil and some milk. Now mix it. Add some water and knead it and make this into a sticky dough. After kneading for a while, the dough should stretch like this and it should not stick to your hands. Now keep the dough aside. Let's make the filling. Into a pan add some oil, add grated garlic, saute it, add some green chili, now add some chopped onions, some salt and saute it until it becomes translucent. Now once the onion is well sauteed, add boneless and cubed chicken. Let's add in the spices like some pepper powder, some red chili powder. As we have already added pepper and green chili, add the spices according to that. Some Garam Masala, Kasuri Methi. Now add some chili flakes and saute it really well. Now cover the pan and cook the chicken. And once the chicken is cooked, mash it and make it into small pieces. Now add boiled and mashed potatoes and mix it really well with the chicken. Now our filling is also ready. Now let's start making the borek. I'm dividing the dough into 3 parts. Now take one portion of the dough, lightly flatten it and add some room temperature butter on top. Now start stretching the dough using your hands. You have to really stretch it out into a thin sheet like this. Now add the chicken filling on one side of the dough. Now slowly start rolling it from that end. Roll this into a long log like this. Now take a dusted and greased pan and place this log spirally into the pan like this. Now take the second portion of the dough, stretch it out in a similar way, place the filling and start rolling it. Now place the second log around the first dough. Similarly, prepare the third portion. And place it around the second log. Tuck in and seal all the edges. Now give it an egg wash with 1 egg and some milk. Just before baking, sprinkle some nigella seeds or some black sesame seeds on top. And bake this in a 200-degree preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes or until you see beautiful golden brown shade on top. Our super tasty chicken borek is ready. Apply some butter on top to give a beautiful glazing. Cut this into small portions and then you can serve it. After cutting, you can see each roll and the chicken filling inside. This is a very tasty dish. So definitely try out this Turkish recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.